They come to the traditional Thai wedding. This is the most important part of the wedding ceremony. The bride and groom parents will officially witness the couple marriage by picking the strings, connect them to certify the unions as husband and wife. Family and friends ask for your blessing in this next ceremony. We hold water blessing ceremony with the water blessing by the monks. So we pour in the water to bride and groom and give them a blessing of the marriage.
Daisies blooming.
To the moon like the sun.
Can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me.
What are you doing here today?
I come to marry Cynthia. The name of my baby, Nomi. Thank you.
Tell us 3 things you love about her. Oh, take time.
She's smart,
Yeah.
she's beautiful, and you are a sister. Good sister.
Oh, that is a good one. Thank you.
Forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. Heading down taking. Darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than.
So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for being here tonight. Coming from Phuket, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Swiss, UK, France, Czech Republic, Luxembourg, China, Taiwan. It means a lot for us. LH 1075 doesn't sound familiar for you, but for Cynthia and I, these numbers completely change our lives. LH1075 is the flight number that brings me to Cynthia. On December 30, 2020, I was luckiest person on earth when I crossed paths with her at Lyon Airport. We were both waiting in the same line to board a flight to Thailand. Well, we didn't know at that time we were also boarding for a new life together. Since that day, everything went very fast between Cynthia and me, leading us to being here tonight to celebrate our wedding with all of you. Moving at the speed of light, Cynthia quickly became more than a girlfriend. She is my wife, my friend, my business partner, my confidant, and most of all, the mother of our baby, Domi. What a lucky baby he is. Every day, he is discovering how smart, caring, sensitive, brave, and beautiful is his mom. In this special day, I also want to thank Cynthia's family. They welcomed me so warmly and always treated me as a family member. May, Fred, Eileen, Linda, Adrian, Beauty, Grandma, all the uncles and aunties, all the cousins. You are beautiful, caring, and bit crazy family, but I'm so happy to be part of it. My family also adopted Cynthia right away, and thanks to my mom and sister to be so caring with her. My father, who passed away a few years ago, would have loved Cynthia so much and is definitely proud from where he is. Cynthia and I are similar. We do not have so many friends, but we definitely have good friends that always support us in our low and high times. Thank you for being part of our lives.